Hello everyone, this is Carrie Anderson. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I will talk about smoothie diet. So if you like the video related to my health, my way, I would like to request you all, please do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. Let's go. Smoothies are a great way to cut down your overall calorie intake and feel full all the time. This means that if you can incorporate smoothies into your diet, it can be a great weight loss tool. The Smoothie Diet is a digital program to help you get in shape within just 3 weeks with just smoothies. The balance of nutrients and the schedule of consumption will help you in that. When we talk about smoothies, we mean lots of plant based gifts of nature. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbs, phytonutrients, antioxidant, fiber, etc., with almost no fat. Altogether, they are healthy, tasty, and filling. The three qualities that perfectly complement your weight loss journey. So, going on a smoothie diet can be an excellent start to a lifelong journey of mindful eating. By following a diet plan that replaces 2 to 3 of your daily meals with smoothies in a well researched schedule, you will be able to shed off extra fat and reduce weight, decrease your chances of chronic disease, limit your exposure to the standard American diet toxicity, get a natural path to healthy skin and hair. The Smoothie Diet is a program that will help you understand how to use smoothie perfectly to begin your fitness journey. Plus, they are super easy to make and carry around with you. Now, I will talk about the pros. Low calorie smoothie meals with natural ingredients make grocery shopping easier with shopping list, quick and easy meal preparation and consumption, noticeable loss of weight and fat in less than a month, excellent way to improvise skin, hair, and body. Cons I need to talk about it. That is diet rich in carbohydrate, though all of it complex and natural. Must start mindful eating habit to sustain the result of the diet. Only available for sale on the official website. The diet indeed brings a drastic change to your body by cutting down calories and fat. But you have to ensure that you get some lean protein and good fats to prevent muscle loss and boost metabolism. Now, you will also have to remember that replacing all meals with a liquid diet for the rest of your life is not viable. That doesn't mean you can return to your toxic eating habit right after the program. Failing to maintain a healthy diet plan will make you regain the fat, but that's normal for any diet plan. You can't treat any of them as a quick path to a lifetime of fitness. As is true in the case of any short term diet plan, the smoothie diet too needs to be followed by mindful eating. If you notice weight gain, you can again go back to the diet. What is the smoothie diet? Is it genuine? The Smoothie Diet is a digital plan created by Drew Scoutes and a distinguished health coach. He aims to help cut down sugar and fat consumption and reduce your calorie intake with this diet. The program shares a custom plan to replace some of your solid meal with smoothies that are made with all natural ingredients. These meals can have a transformative effect on your body in 3 weeks. With the right ingredient and appropriate portion size incorporated in a well thought eating plan, you can lose weight smoothly. The 21 diet plan of the smoothie will help you with that. A weight loss journey can be a confusing and intimidating concept, and Drew, a certified health coach with an expertise in nutrition, understand that to make things easier, he developed the smoothie diet. He aims to help you understand the importance of making meal with real ingredient and skip all the processed food that we are used to consuming. Such processed food are unhealthy and fattening. The smoothie diet incorporates the same approach that Drew takes with his client as well as in his personal life. This has helped thousands get exceptional results within a short time. Now, the components of the smoothie diet. What's in it? The Smoothie Diet is more than just a digital book with smoothie recipe. It contains weekly shopping list, a 21-day schedule, details about what to prepare each day, a detox plan, and a guide. If you're familiar with the 28-day keto challenge, you will know how exactly what you are getting into. Now, the Smoothie Diet package include a 3-week program for weight loss and health improvement, 36 smoothie recipes to replace solid meals, shopping list for every week, preparation guide with tips on preparing smoothie, 3 days detox program to be followed before the 21-day plan, quick start guide that condenses everything into a fast track list. Everything will be in digital format so that you can access all the information using your PC, phone, or any mobile device, no matter where you are. So while traveling, you can carry everything with you. It also means that you will not have to wait for weeks for the physical copies of the books to arrive. If you need a hard copy of the information, you simply need to print out a copy of the quick start guide. So that's all about the Smoothie Diet in this video. Hope you all liked it. If you have any sort of questions, you can drop it down in the comment box. You can type in the comment box so that I will come to know and help you in a better way. So before signing off, I would like to request you all, please do like, share, subscribe this video with your loved ones so that they can also gain their knowledge about this. So we will definitely meet you in the next video with the another topic, with the another conclusion. So wait for my video for the next video. So have a lovely time with the loved ones. God bless you all. Take care. Bye bye.